Today we're taking a look at the mason jar all-in-one sealing kit, sealer kit. This is going to be super cool to use. It comes in a nice box here, and then it has the main component, the sealer, and then it even came with wide mouth lids and then regular mouth lids. And of course, instructions here, and then it came with a charging cable. That's how you're going to charge it. And then we have this little clip here, and then it even came with a bottle opener. So you'll be able to pop the lids off, and then there's these cute stickers you can put on top, and then it did come with 2 bags that you could seal. And I have just made some fresh salsa here, and I am going to put one of the lids on here. So I actually washed one here, and it has the little seal portion at the top. So I'm just going to put that right on top, and I'm going to put a ring around the top just to make sure I do have it centered on there correctly. And then I'm going to take the sealer, put it right in the center here, and then press the power button. And you can see it is sealing, and then it automatically shuts off when it is sealed. So then we'll carefully remove the sealer here, and it is smooth, so I'm going to take off my ring here, and it doesn't come up. So it is sealed on there tight. This is going to help save so much in food costs because your food is going to last a lot longer. And I love that it comes with both sizes of the lids, and you can just wash these, reuse these. You can wash the bags, reuse those. Super convenient. This is going to be great for all of the canning that I do, and just really nice to put, whatever you want to in the jars and have it last a lot longer. Super nice product. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.